What could the future of mobile technology possibly hold? The answer unfolded as Samsung Electronics recently unveiled the Galaxy S24 series, the Galaxy S24, the S24 Plus, and the S24 Ultra. This series doesn't merely represent a leap in technology, but it also ignites a new era of mobile innovation, breaking down barriers and enabling awe-inspiring creativity. The Galaxy S24 series has a secret weapon, Galaxy AI. This artificial intelligence is built on a deep understanding of how people use their phones, and it amplifies nearly every experience on the Galaxy S24 series. From enabling barrier-free communication to maximizing creative freedom with the Galaxy's Provisual engine, Galaxy AI not only enhances the mobile experience but also sets a new standard for search. The Galaxy S24 series is a game changer. It transforms our connection with the world and the way we communicate. Language barriers, a thing of the past. With Live Translate, real-time voice and text translations of phone calls are possible without the need for third-party apps. And the best part? On-device AI keeps these conversations completely private. But the Galaxy S24 series doesn't stop there. It also introduces Interpreter, an innovative feature that instantly translates live conversations on a split-screen view. This means that people standing opposite each other can read a text transcription of what the other person has said, and it works without cellular data or Wi-Fi. Communication is further enhanced with Chat Assist, a feature that helps perfect conversational tones. Whether it's a polite message to a coworker or a catchy phrase for a social media caption, Chat Assist ensures your communication sounds just as you intended. The Galaxy S24 series also takes organization to a new level with Note Assist in Samsung Notes. It features AI-generated summaries, template creation that streamlines notes with pre-made formats, and cover creation for easy spotting of notes with a brief preview. But perhaps one of the most exciting features of the Galaxy S24 series is the debut of the intuitive, gesture-driven circle to search with Google. This feature allows users to simply circle, highlight, scribble on, or tap anything on the Galaxy S24's screen to see helpful, high-quality search results. In summary, the Galaxy S24 series represents a new era of mobile innovation. It enhances communication with features like Live Translate and Interpreter, facilitates organization with Note Assist, and redefines search with Circle to search with Google. The series is a testament to Samsung's commitment to empowering everyday experiences and opening up new possibilities for its users. The future of mobile technology is here, and it's more exciting than ever. As we marvel at the future of mobile technology, let's dive into the detailed specifications of the Galaxy S24. At the heart of this innovation is an impressive battery life, designed to last a full day of heavy usage. This is complemented by advanced AI functions that not only revolutionize the way you interact with your device, but also optimize its performance to ensure it runs smoothly at all times. The Galaxy S24 also boasts superior camera capabilities, a vibrant and dynamic display, and a sleek, ergonomic design. These specifications make the Galaxy S24 a powerhouse of mobile technology, setting a new standard for what a smartphone can be. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the Galaxy S24. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this revolutionary device. Did anything in particular catch your eye? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video informative and helpful, do us a favor and hit that like button. It helps more people discover our content. And don't forget to share this video with anyone who might be interested in the Galaxy S24. For more detailed reviews and tech insights, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Remember, you are part of our tech community, and your engagement fuels our passion for technology. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.